Welcome back to the second part. All fingers are ready. Now I will join the fingers one by one. In the first row I will join the index finger first, then middle finger and then ring finger. And in the second row I will join the little finger. Watch carefully how I join the fingers one by one. First make chain 3. Any chain of the index finger and then make double crochet in every chain. Don't stitch at the last. Because after making double crochet in every chain, I will join the middle finger there. Now I will show you how to join the second finger, the middle finger. The last double crochet which I made before on the index finger, in this same place I will join the middle finger with a double crochet. After joining, make 5 double crochet into the next 5 chains, and there will be 6 double crochet on this middle finger. Then don't make any more double crochet as I made before on the index finger. Here only I need 6 double crochet, and then on the 6th chain I will add the third finger, the ring finger. The process is same as I add the middle with the index. Thank you everyone to watch my videos. Wait till the end and don't forget to like, share and comment. Your one like or comment inspired me very much. Who are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any interest in crochet, then my videos are just for you. After adding the ring finger, make double crochet in every chains. I will confirm you how to make it, so watch very carefully. In this way, the row will be ended where I started. The row will be ended on the index finger where I make a slip stitch to complete the row. Watch it very carefully. Now I have done. Then to the next row I will add the little finger. I will start the row with 3 chains, and same as before, make double crochet in every chain. As the first row had ended on the index finger, so you need to make double crochet on the second row and come to the ring finger, and then there add the little finger. How to add? It is same as before. Then make double crochet into the every chains and complete the row with a slip stitch. Are my videos helpful to learn? If not, please suggest me to make it better. I will try my best. The row is almost completed. Now start the third row with chain 3 and make double crochet in every chains. And here in this row, don't add the thumb. After completing this row, on the fourth row, add the thumb. How to add the thumb I will show in my next video. In next part I will also show how to complete this whole project. Thank you all of you to support me.